Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to verify information and trust the answers, learning how to check sources in Perplexity AI is essential. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to check sources and citations in Perplexity AI effectively. So first thing first, look for source links in the answer. Okay, so after asking a question, check the answer. So you will see small numbered citations, for example 1, 2, or clickable source codes. Okay, so these are your references. This is where the info comes from. Click on a source. Okay, so for example, let's see that you already asked this website. Okay, after that you will have the answer and then citation or link, so it will open original article, websites, research page. Okay, so read the full context. Always go to the source. Okay, check multiple sources, so don't rely on just one link. Compare 2 to 3 different sources. Look for consistency because strong info equals repeated across sources. Okay, evaluate source quality too, so prefer trusted websites, academic sources, official pages. Okay, so be cautious with blogs without references and known websites. So quality matters more than quantity. Okay, match answer with sources, so ask yourself, does the source actually say this? Check for missing context and don't trust blindly. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.